All right, boys. So if you didn't catch the last video, I would definitely advise you to go watch that. This is the one where we replaced the headliner. Now, you don't have to replace your headliner to put starlights in. I did just because mine was falling. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the kit that we got. We got a 450 piece kit right here. I think, I'll be honest with you, I bought this thing off Amazon. It was like 150 bucks. So I went ahead, I picked that up, and then I think I picked up the headliner for like another 150. But either way, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna dive right into like drilling the holes. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of catch up to what I've done. So we got 450 starlights. So I divided it up into 6, and in each block I put 75 dots. My brother did these 2. He absolutely ruined them. So I went back and put, he did way too many on this one. So I ended up going back, and all the ones with the X are the ones that we're gonna put in on that one. But then everything else, the dots are the ones that are what we're gonna drill out. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into it. Ain't gonna waste no more time. I'm gonna get a drill bit and get to drilling them. I've heard you can use a pin or a drill bit. I'm gonna use a drill bit just because I feel like it's gonna be easier. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get to that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you on the tripod and we'll get right to work. All right, boys, so we went ahead and got it all finished, actually. My camera died, so you didn't get to see the complete time lapse, but really the only thing you missed was just me Gorilla Glue and everything. I just use like regular Gorilla Glue. Just some of that right there. Some people say don't use Gorilla Glue. Some people say it don't matter. I personally don't believe it matters, as long as it sticks and holds, which, as you can tell, it's sticking and holding pretty good. As long as it sticks and holds, I'd say you're fine. So we're just gonna run with the Gorilla Glue. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. I gotta go ahead and get all of this down here trimmed up, and then we'll be ready to at least see what it looks like, and then start putting the headliner in the car. I will go ahead and warn you right now, this absolutely sucked. It's the tedious thing I've done in my whole entire life. Golly, dude, it was rough. I started this at 9:30, and it's 4:33 right now. So I've been out here for a while. I've been doing a lot of it myself. My brother did come out here and help me a little bit, which was a big help. It was, the extra set of hands definitely helped speed up the process a little bit, but it did suck. Hopefully the outcome of it is gonna, you know, triumph the suckiness of it and the tediness of it. But nonetheless, we got it done. And I'm honestly ready to get this stuff trimmed up so I can see what these lights are gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead, put you back on the tripod, and then we're gonna go, I'm gonna get right back to work. All right, boys. It just took me 30 minutes. 30 minutes to trim all these off. I mean, golly. That took forever. Like I said, this is not a hard job to do. It's not a hard job to do at all. It is just so time consuming and so tedious. Yeah, it can be annoying how like fine detailed it is. And you gotta have a lot of patience to do stuff like this. And boy, I do not have patience. That is one thing I lack. And this job made me appreciate the little bit of patience that I do have. But so here's the look of the back of it. That's what it looks like. It looks like crap. I hate all them fucking wires. But then here's the front. The front don't look that bad. I'm actually really excited to see what it looks like. So I'm about to go ahead and hook the little box up and then plug it into the wall outlet. Because it came with a wall outlet. Hang on, let me see if I can find it. But yeah, here it is. So it comes with a wall outlet that you can use to just plug it in. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug it in the wall outlet, and just get a feel for what these things are gonna look like. Boys, this turned out better than I ever thought it would. I'm not gonna lie. There she is. There she blows. That turned out a lot better than I thought it would. That's actually, it kind of blows my mind a little bit. I'm actually a little bit surprised. That turned out pretty good. It's pretty crazy. We got a little remote over here. Hang on. Don't mind the mess there. But you can change the colors. Go through the colors. And then you can make it like just kind of do like different patterns and stuff, which is pretty cool. I don't know. Doesn't do anything crazy, but I don't know. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I think it looked really good, to be honest with you. I don't know. I think my favorite is just the regular white. But yeah, that's actually turned out really good. I'm actually really surprised. So all we got now is to go ahead and put this thing back in the truck and then wire it up to the truck. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it put in, and then in the next video we'll wire it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you back on the tripod, and I'll talk to you here soon. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm being a little extra right now, and don't mind the mess that's in here. But I went ahead and took the front seat out so I could have a little bit more room to get the headliner in. So I took the front seat out, and then I went ahead and removed this panel right here so I could run my the starlights down through this panel and kind of hide them a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the headliner in with the starlights. Alrighty guys, so as you can tell, we went ahead and got our headliner put back in, and it actually turned out really good. I mean, this thing looks great. Honestly, I can't be any more happy with how it turned out. I mean, it turned out really good in my opinion. God. Oh, it's been a long day, but well worth it. Hang on, let me find out. Well, I ain't got my phone on me, but I've been out here since like 9:30 this morning. I think I've only ate once since I started this, so I'm starving. And it is currently 7 o'clock. So I've been out this for a while. It definitely is something that's going to take you a little bit. I would definitely try and have more than one person, because putting the headliner back in by myself almost whooped me. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of sucked putting the headliner back in by myself. And if I wouldn't have had my brother to help me end up poking all the lights through, this would have taken me all day long. And I still wouldn't be at the point I'm at. So, huge thanks to him for coming out here and helping me. He didn't do much, but anything is better than nothing. And then so all I got left is I have to end up wiring this box in. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it because this is as far down as it goes. I was thinking about like mounting it back in there. You can't really tell it right now, but I was thinking about mounting it back in there, and then we're gonna run our wires through there. Blah blah blah. Long story short, that's gonna be in the next video. I'm honestly just gonna end this video today because I'm whooped. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. I'm hungry, and I still got to go to the grocery store. I might just end up skipping out on that, but yeah. So I got to get a fuse. Got to get a relay. Got to get a switch. And then got to get some tape, and then I'll be ready for the wiring part of it. I should have just bought all this crap at one time, but once again, I'm an idiot and I forgot. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all guys in the next video.